How to play shadow fight with friends online. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your gaming hub and then open your Shadow Fight 3 application, and simply update your avatar. Then if you have already played your game, it will download your data archive. So after the game has loaded, what you have to do is you have to find some button where you will be able to invite friends and play together. And you just have to send them the request after they have become your friends. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.